Welcome to the LCD Keypad tutorial. Firstly, I will get you how to arm in this arm. For arm, you have to key in your master pin and then you have to press hash key. You have to do like this. And then you have to press hash key. And then the system will give you exit delay. As you can see, arm LED is turned on. And now I will get you how to disarm. For disarm, you have to key in your master pin and then you have to press hash key. You have to do like this. And then you have to press hash key. As you can see, the arm LED is turned off. Now, I will get you how to change master pin. You have to enter your current master pin and then you have to press star button. You have to do like this. And then you have to press star button. And then press arrow down key. Press hash button to select user program. Press hash button again to select master. And now you have to enter your new pin. Press hash key to the next setting. You have to re-enter pin. Press hash key to save the setting. You may press star button to exit to the main menu. Now, I will get you how to set up your time and date. Firstly, you have to key in your current master pin and then you have to press star button. You have to do like this. Press star button. Press arrow down key. Press hash key to select user program. Press arrow down key. Select timer. And then press arrow down key. Then you have to select date and time. Press hash key to the next setting. Press hash key to the next setting. Press hash key to select your day. And then press hash key to save the setting. Press star button to exit to the main menu. Now, I will get you how to set the automation timer. Firstly, you have to key in your current master pin and then you have to press star button. You have to do like this. Press star button. Press arrow down key. Select user program. Press arrow down key. Select timer. Press arrow down key. Select output timer. Select on timer. In this case, I will choose timer 1. Select daily or schedule. For this case, I will select daily. Select your time to turn on the automation. Press hash key to save. And then you have to choose the output to turn on. In this case, I will select output 1 and output 2 to turn on. To select the output, you have to press number 1. And then press arrow down key to select output 2. And then you have to press number 1 button to select the output 2. And then you have to press hash key. Press hash key again to save the setting. And then now, you have to set off timer. Press hash key. And then press arrow down key. And press hash key again to select off timer. In this case, I will choose timer 1. You have two options, daily or schedule. In this case, I select daily. press hash key to save the time. In this case, I will choose output 1 and output 2. I will press number 1 button to select output 1. Press arrow down key. And then I will press number 1 button to select output 2. And then I will press hash key to save the setting. And then now I will get you how to do arm and disarm timer. Press up key and then select zone timer. Press arm timer. Select arm timer by press hash button. In this case, I will choose timer 1. Edit setting. You have two options, daily or schedule. In this case, I choose daily. And then set your time. Press hash key. In this case, I will select partition 1 only to be armed. So I will press number 1 button to select partition 1. And then I will press hash key. And then I will press hash key again to save the setting. So now I will get you how to set this arm timer. So you have to press hash key to select zone timer. Press arrow down key and then press hash key to select this arm timer. In this case, I will choose timer number 1. In this case, I will select daily and then set your disarm time. Press hash key. In this case, I will select partition 1 only. I will press number 1 and press hash key. Press hash key again to save the setting. And then you may press star button to exit to the main menu. And then now I will get you how to use automation. As you can see, the shortcut for automation is button number 5. So you have to press and hold button number 5. You have to do like this. Here you have two options. First is output control, second on all, and the third off all. For output control, you can control the system by the individual setting. Press hash key to enter the menu. As you can see, output number 1 is off. You have to press hash key to turn on the output number 1. As you can see, the output 1 is already turned on. So you have to press hash key again to turn off the automation number 1. As you can see, the output 1 is already turned off. So you may select on all. To turn on all the automation, you have to press hash key. As you can see, output number 1 and output number 2 is already turned on. Press arrow down key. And then you can choose off all to switch off all the automation. You have to press star, you have to press hash key. As you can see, output number 1 and output number 2 is already turned off. And you may press star button to exit to the main menu. Now I will get you how to do easy programming. Firstly, you have to key in your installer pin and then you have to press hash key. You have to do like this. And then you have to press hash key. Our default installer pin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have to press arrow down key. And then EZ programming. EZ programming stands for easy programming. So you have to press hash key to enter the menu. Key in your date. Press hash key to the next setting. Key in your time. Press hash key to the next setting. Select your date. Select your day. Press hash key to save the setting. Now you have to key in your new master pin. Press hash key. Re-enter pin again. Make sure you key in the same password. Press hash key to save. Now is receiver set. So you have two options, yes or next setting. In this case, I will select yes. I will press hash key to enter the menu. I select receiver 1. And you have to key in your contact number. You have to press hash key. For the receiver type, you have two options. First user and second CMS. In this case, I will choose user. I have to press hash key. For receiver option, you have permanent and backup. For this case, I will choose permanent. Press hash key. So now I already set up the receiver set. So I will choose next setting. For zone setting, in this case, I will select next setting. Key switch set. In this case, you have two options, yes and next setting. So I will choose next setting. For temper setting, in this case, I will select next setting. For OC setting, in this case, I will select next setting. For GMSF setting, in this case, I will select yes setting. Select yes for GSM telephone 1. For GSM telephone number, you have to key in the country code. In this case, I will key in number 6 and follow by your contact number. I will press hash key to save. So I will select end setting. And you may press star button to exit the main menu. That's all. Thank you.